real advocates. We do try to help people solve problems. And one of the things that has come up several times is we have had somebody pass away and then siblings inherit a house. And one of the problems is how the siblings handle that house. And that is, it could be left 50-50 this between two siblings. And then one sibling wants to sell the house and the other sibling may want to keep the house or actually move into the house. And we've actually been able to refer to some real estate attorneys ways to handle this. But the best way to handle it is to do it proactively and think in advance, and to have discussions to avoid a lot of dissension, disagreement between family members as to how the siblings will want to handle inheriting their parents' house. And again, one of the things is managing expectations. We have seen often it could be a sibling is actually living in that house and expects to continue to live there, even though they technically only own half the house. And that's an issue where you have to talk about that. Is one sibling going to become a landlord and take some sort of form of a rent? That's usually not the best relationship. Do you want to rent out the house so that both siblings, in this case, let's say two of them, have income? If somebody owns that house after somebody passes away, 50-50, they have legal rights and can actually go to court and force a sale. And I have several cases of attorneys getting involved in situations like this. And the more that you plan in advance as to how you're going to handle that, the better it's going to be. And I've really been helping some people with this situation. I've had two very recently, one this last week. And in this case, we had involved signing a lease. If you're going to live here, you're going to pay something. And that's fair then to maintain the cost of the house and for the other sibling. At any rate, we do a lot of financial planning along all of these lines. That's part of clearly what we want to offer our clients. It's not just the investment management, but all of the financial planning along the lines.